Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cooking dinner. This is going to be a kind of healthy dinner, but so we're going to do meats, greens, and then a bonus side. So we're doing pork chops, mac and cheese, and then corn on the cob. So let's hop right in. So we have these Smithfield pork chops. They look really good, and I'm just going to stick them on my George Foreman. So we're on 5 minutes at 350. I'll be cooking some of this corn on the cob. And all that I'm doing for this is boiling some water, and then I'll drop this in. Got my oven on high. Now I'm going to make the mac and cheese. So we have the corn boiling, and then the mac and cheese will go in that pot. Cauliflower, and I'm just going to microwave it for however long. So I'm just going to stick this in the microwave to steam it. So now I strain the noodles. I'm going to add butter, the cheese mixture, salt, and pepper. Got it all in here, and now I'm just going to mix it up. Now I stuck it back on the stove for a couple minutes just to make sure all the butter gets melted, and I set the corn right here. So for the broccoli and cauliflower, it is pretty hot. I'm going to put half in this bowl and half in this bowl because I'm cooking it from my grandma. So here are the pork chops done. There is the mac and cheese done. And here's the corn done. I just took it out of the water and put it on my plate. We also mixed up a pitcher of lemonade, which is what we're drinking. It is this Crystal Light lemonade. It is only 5 calories per serving, so if you want a low calorie drink, these are super good. So here's my dinner. We've got the mac and cheese, the pork chops, corn, and broccoli and cauliflower. Then I have my glass of lemonade, salt, pepper, and then this is my grandma's plate. Pork chops, mac and cheese, corn, and also some steamed vegetables. And we have some sourdough bread. So, quick little taste test. Of course, I'm going to try the mac and cheese first. The pepper, it's amazing, but I love pepper. Now I'm going to try some broccoli. Not bad. Cauliflower, also good. Now a little piece of this pork chop. I love my meat cooked well done, so. Now my piece of sourdough bread with a little butter. place my corn. That is hot, but that is delicious. So very healthy, except the mac and cheese and the bread meal.